Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into the video, I'm gonna go in with my hair silk from the Carl's Cashmere and Caviar collection. I'm just gonna massage that in my hair. My hair is freshly washed and detangled, so I'm gonna be doing the LOC method. So afterwards, I'm gonna go in with my oil from Africa's Best. You already know that's all I use. And then once I massage that through, I'm gonna start parting my hair. Now for these parts, you could do whatever part you want. Me personally, I just like my parts to just not be equal, so I just do whatever. So just part your hair whatever size, big, small, that you want, and then go ahead with your styler. I'm gonna go in with the Eco Style gel only because it's what I had around and I just wanted a good gel to hold my hair. So massage the gel in your hair and please detangle. I cannot stress this enough for this hairstyle. So once you finish detangling your hair and making sure you have a good amount of gel, go ahead and get a little rubber band and just tie that section to just separate it. That's all you have to do for this part. Just section your hair, put your gel or whatever else you want to use to hold your hair, and then secure it with a rubber band so that it doesn't get tangled in with the rest of your hair. The longest part of the style for me, I feel like, is the parting. So just be patient with the parting and make sure you get it to your liking, and then everything else will be 10 times easier and better for you. So once you have all your sections, go ahead and get you some Marley hair. I just got this from our local beauty supply store. And then you just cut it in half because you're not going to use all of it. Once you finish cutting in half, take about like 2 or 3 strands. And then what I did is I just crocheted those strands into my parts. That's all I did. I didn't twist it. I just crocheted into it because I know that my hair isn't that long. So once you crochet it in, make sure you lump the hair together, twist it, braid it, do whatever you have to, and then just wrap it around your part. That's all you have to do. And then I used a rubber band just to keep it secure, and that's about it. So crochet the Marley hair into your part, and then afterwards you could braid it or twist it or just wrap it around all together around your own hair. And then once you finish wrapping it around, you just get a rubber band so that it could stay in place and it doesn't move. If your hair is long enough and you know that you'll be able to just twist it or just braid it, then do that. Do whatever is easier for you with your hair length. If your hair is short like mine, girl, just do this because it'll be way easier than having to struggle with the grip and all of that good stuff. So then once you finish with all of your Marley hairs, what I did was I used like the little strings for the braids, and I just wrapped that around each of the little knots just to give it like a different look, you know, just to make it look prettier, a little bit different. Once you finish that, that's pretty much it. You have a cute and simple style. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.